has built a new freezer room at its food processing plant at Linlithgow near Edinburgh to cope with a growing demand for its meat and fish. Two 20-kilowatt Janie Hall CO2 refrigeration packs support the freezer room to ensure that a constant temperature of 18 degrees is maintained. With its zero global warming potential, CO2 is becoming a popular choice.
It's more versatile now because of the equipment, the movement in terms of the equipment that's available on the market, commercial off-the-shelf equipment. It's a lot more accessible, there's a lot more training available for people who are a bit nervous about using CO2 nowadays. It's becoming more and more commonly used, which is bringing the price down.
The new installation replaces a high GWP R404A system, and Janie Hall were confident that CO2 would do a good job for Campbells.
And it gets people away from the worries of F-gas regulations, constant leak testing. The cost of installation and the equipment's now much more competitive than it used to be in comparison. So it offered a greater long-term solution, and also the environmental impact.
The customer is delighted with the new freezer room and the new refrigeration system.
First of all, we chose Janie Hall because they came very highly recommended. We did some research in the industry, spoke to a number of other companies that used refrigeration, and they came as the best choice to use.
And what a zero ozone depleting refrigerant meant to Campbells.
It meant that we would not be changing the refrigerant again in 5 years' time. We've been on that cycle for 20 years that I've been in the business. It was important to kind of step off that particular path.